In this demonstration, we're going to show you how to add a new browsing category and move an item category within the product and services hierarchy. Go to the navigator, setup and maintenance, go to procurement offerings, and within procurement offerings, go to suppliers functional area. You have to show all tasks. And from there, click on Manage Supplier Product and Services Category Hierarchy. Here you can select the root category, and we are going to create a new one. Let's name it as Desk Funds. The description is optional. Click on Save and Close. Now you can see we have a new category called Desk Funds. If you go here, you see that there are no items under the desk phone. Now select the telecommunications category, and under that you can see desktop phones. And let's see how can I move this desktop phones from telecommunications to desk phones. Click on the desktop phones, click on move, and here this parent category, enter the category you just created. Desk phones, click on Save and Close. Now you see the desk phones is moved from telecommunications to desktop to desk phones. Click on Done, and this completes the demonstration.